Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Untitled speaking. In this video, I quickly want to show you how you can resolve any ad problem that involves payment. Last week, one of my clients sent me a DM on WhatsApp concerning a problem she's been having concerning an ad, and that has been a payment related issue. She has inserted her card and tried to make payment to Facebook, but the payment is not being processed. So she wants to change the payment process and from prepaid to postpaid. That is, she wants to be able to deposit money in her account so that Facebook can withdraw from the money she has deposited instead of Facebook charging directly from her ATM card. Now, this issue has restricted her from running ads for a long period of time. Now, if you are going through the same issue, I've decided to record the process of solving this particular issue for my clients. The account is up and running now, so the same process I've recorded and I've decided to share to you guys today in today's video. So kindly give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel before you continue watching.
Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Untitled speaking. Alright, in this video I want to show you how to change your account, your Facebook account from postpaid to prepaid, or from prepaid to postpaid. Maybe you're having issue with your ATM or your prepaid card, and you've already inserted it inside, you've already given your details to Facebook, but those details are not being processed. Your account is not being processed. You notice that your payments are not being processed. After you run an ad, then your payments are not being processed, then you owe Facebook, and at the end of the day you keep having that issue to the extent that your account is being banned or restricted from running ads. So this is one of the ways out to do that. So come to your Facebook business, business.facebook.com. Go to your the ads part of that. So on your ads manager, okay, this is not where we want to come to. So you come to all tools so that it will display all the tools for us. Then come to where is it now? Ads manager. Now on the ads manager, now don't forget that you have what is called the business manager and the ads manager. The business manager serves as the mother of the ad manager. So the ad manager accounts under the business manager. So take note of that. So the first thing you have to do is to select the ad account, the business that you want to use for this particular, that you want to make these changes on. So on this particular account, I want to select the business account that I want to use for these changes. So let me do that on this account, this particular account. So this is a new business manager. So what you need is a new business manager. So this is a new business manager. For instance, this manager, I just created it, so it's very easy to create. So once you create the business manager, then you come ahead to the account, you click on the ad account, and you get this. I click on add. You want to create a new ad account, so you click on create new ad account. Put the name. Let's say I want to name it DA, and okay, deck palazzo. Let me name it. Let me type very well. Okay, so that's what I want to name this particular account. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on next. Click on check the time. The time is correct, and the amount you can change from naira to dollar, but I prefer to have this account in dollar. So click on next. And where do you want this ad account to be added to? Do you want it to be on my business deck palazzo or on another ad account? I want it to be here. Then you click on create. Now once you create this account, you've been able to go halfway. So the next thing you do, you have to assign this particular account to who do you want to be able to manage this account. So you click on the name that's showing, that is you operating. You'll be the one that can operate this ad account, so you can give you access to yourself on all these different options and click assign. So once the assignment is done, then this is what you wanted to do. So once it's bring up this add payment info, you click on add payment info. Once it opens up, then you can now set up your payment. So you have Nigerian, US dollar. Okay, all this information are correct. You click on save, and then you will see that the next option is going to bring is going to contain local card. This is the local card you want to work on. This is what you have always wanted. Do you understand? So before now, it used to bring debit or credit card option, and that is why you have your ATM or your debit card or your credit card being stranded also in Facebook ad accounts. You understand? So you want it to show up local card. So once you have local card, you click on it. Then you click on next. Then you can set up and add money into your account. When you click up on next, then you can click on skip this. You skip this. Then how much you want to add to your ad account? Is it 50,000 naira? You put it there. Click on next. Sorry, I'm being charged in dollars, so let's say I want to add $20. Next. So you click on next, and then we're adding funds. So this process, I'm not going to make any payment anyways, but I'm just showing you the process. So put the full name on your card, put the card number, expiry date, the security code, click on save this for future use, and then click on pay, and then money will be added into your ad account. So when you want to run an ad, it will be charged from that particular account instead of it being charged from your ATM, your debit or credit card. How this video has been very helpful. So now the next thing is that how do you have access to this particular ad account? So let's close this up, and I want to run an ad from this ad account. So it's very simple. All I need to do is I can go to my I want to run an ad. So come to Ads Manager. So once you click on Ads Manager, before you try to run any ad, let's close this. Before you try to run any ad, come here and try to make sure that you are selecting the right ad account that we used the other time. So it was Deck Palazzo. You select it, and then you can run the ad on that particular ad account. I hope that is gotten. So this video has been very helpful. Kindly smash the subscription button and like this video, share it with your friends that are having ad problem, and expect a new video as from next week. Thank you very much. I remain Ezekiel Akingbola.